Should we eat 3 times a day? The question of whether we should eat 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, is a fascinating topic that intertwines history, cultural practices, and modern science. To answer it, let's explore its origins, the science behind meal frequency, and stories from diverse cultures. From the historical context, the 3-meal-a-day structure is relatively recent in human history. In ancient times, eating patterns were largely dictated by the availability of food and the demands of labor. For example, the Romans typically ate one main meal around midday, and ancient Greeks often ate 2 meals a day. The modern concept of 3 meals a day became widespread during the Industrial Revolution. As factory work required a more regimented schedule, people began to eat breakfast before starting work, a midday meal, and dinner after returning home. This routine was further reinforced by societal norms and the development of commercial food products. From the scientific perspective, modern nutrition science has examined the impact of meal frequency on health, metabolism, and weight management. Here are some key insights. Number 1. Metabolism and energy levels. Eating multiple small meals throughout the day can help maintain steady blood sugar levels and provide a constant energy supply. This approach can prevent the spikes and crashes associated with larger, infrequent meals. However, studies have shown that the total caloric intake is more critical for weight management than the frequency of meals. Whether you eat 3 meals or 6 small ones, consuming the same number of calories will have a similar effect on weight. Number 2. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, which often involves eating only 1 or 2 meals a day, has gained popularity for its potential health benefits. Research suggests it can improve insulin sensitivity, promote cellular repair processes, and support weight loss. Different fasting methods, like the 16/8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window, challenge the traditional 3-meal structure and emphasize the body's adaptability to different eating patterns. Number 3. Digestive health. Some research indicates that giving the digestive system longer breaks between meals can be beneficial. Constant grazing can lead to digestive issues and doesn't allow the gut to rest and repair. A more extended fasting period can also promote a process called autophagy, where the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. It is important to note that eating varies from one culture to another. Around the world, different cultures have diverse eating habits, showing that the 3-meal structure is not universal. Spaniards typically have a light breakfast, a substantial midday meal called the comida, an afternoon snack, and a late dinner. Their main meal is often in the afternoon, contrary to the heavy evening meals common in the United States. Traditional Japanese culture emphasizes smaller, balanced meals spread throughout the day. The Japanese diet is known for its variety and portion control, contributing to the population's notable longevity and health. Indian eating habits vary significantly by region, but many people traditionally eat 2 or 3 meals a day with numerous snacks. The Indian diet often includes a combination of spices and ingredients that promote digestive health and metabolic balance. One of the most notable stories on the number of times we should eat is the advent of cereal. The invention of breakfast cereal in the late 19th century by figures like John Harvey Kellogg and C.W. Post played a significant role in establishing breakfast as an essential meal. The success of breakfast cereals helped to solidify the idea that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Prior to this, breakfast was not universally regarded as essential, and eating habits varied widely. In conclusion, the idea that we should eat 3 times a day is rooted in relatively modern societal norms and industrial-era practices. Scientific research suggests that while meal frequency can impact metabolism, energy levels, and digestive health, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Diverse cultural practices demonstrate that human beings can thrive on various eating patterns, and modern science supports the benefits of both traditional and intermittent fasting methods. Ultimately, the best eating pattern is one that aligns with an individual's lifestyle, health needs, and personal preferences. As our understanding of nutrition evolves, it becomes clear that flexibility and mindfulness in our eating habits can lead to better health and well-being. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Letters of Inspiration. Spreading inspiration one letter at a time. Until next time, stay mindful and happy eating.